Ready? Start. MCL is a Government of India undertaking full stop by the end of 1993, 38 vacancies of Majdoors, category 1 under bracket ITI had occurred in the MCL full stop. MCL sent a requisition to the local employment exchange for sending a list of eligible candidates for filling up the said vacancies full stop. The local employment exchange, in response to that requisition, sponsored 664 candidates full stop. Out of these 664 candidates, 375 candidates submitted their biodata full stop. After scrutiny of the biodata of these candidates, MCL called 316 candidates for the written test full stop. Pursuant thereto, 289 candidates appeared for the same on October 29, 1995 full stop. They were also called for trade test in different batches during the period December 26, 1995 to January 5, 1996 full stop. Finally, 240 candidates secured qualifying marks full stop. There is a dispute of fact about merit list as according to the contesting private respondents under bracket writ petitioners before High Court, a merit list comprising 226 ITI candidates was prepared by the MCL as they were found suitable in all respects, but MCL denies having prepared a merit list of 226 candidates for employment full stop. However, it is an admitted position that, of the candidates who secured qualifying marks, 24 were given appointment as Mazdoor category 1 under bracket ITI full stop, 14 vacancies in the trade of auto electrician and 9 vacancies in scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category could not be filled up due to non-availability of the candidates full stop. Subsequently, it appears that fresh 84 vacancies of Majdoor category 1 under bracket ITI occurred and MCL requested the local employment exchange for their permission to fill up fresh vacancies from amongst the candidates who had qualified in the written test and the trade test conducted as above full stop. There was no response from the local employment exchange to that requisition and, accordingly, MCL filed up 51 vacancies out of 84 fresh vacancies by giving employment to these candidates who had already undergone the apprenticeship with them in the year 1991 to 92 full stop. The present appellants are amongst those candidates full stop. The private respondents herein and few others aggrieved by the appointment of the appellants and some others to the posts of Mazdoor category 1 under bracket ITI having been given preference as they had undergone the apprenticeship with the MCL, filed various writ petitions before the High Court of Odisha full stop. They prayed that appointments given to 51 such appointees be quashed full stop. They also prayed for their under bracket writ petitioners absorption in the vacant posts without calling them to appear for fresh written test and slash or interview full stop. MCL and its functionaries who were impleaded as respondents in the writ petition filed their counter affidavit and contested the writ petitions on diverse grounds full stop. The defense of the MCL was that the preference was given to the apprentices who had undergone training with them in the interest of the company as coal mines use very specific and specialized high value heavy earth moving machines like dragline, shovel, dumpers, heavy duty dozers, drills and cranes, and those who have been extensively trained on these machines are of much use than the candidates who were trained in other industries and not dealing with heavy earth slash moving machines full stop. MCL justified their action on the basis of a decision of this court in the UP State Road Transport Corporation and another versus UP Parivahan Nigam Shuks Berozgar Sangh and others. Full stop. It was submitted by MCL that the preference to MCL apprentices was not influenced by and consideration other than the interest of the company. Full stop. It is pertinent to mention here that neither the appellants nor others whose appointments were challenged in the writ petitions were impleaded initially. Full stop. It was after 10 years or so that the present appellants were impleaded as party respondents in the writ petition. Full stop. On their impleadment and service of notice, comma, the present appellants filed their counter affidavit in opposition to the writ petitioners and denied the claim of the writ petitioners. Full stop. The High Court vied its judgment dated May 2, 2008, however, held that MCL ought to have filed up newly sanctioned 51 posts of Mazdoor Category 1 under bracket ITI from the merit list prepared earlier, strictly in the order of merit, and no preference could have been given to those who had undertaken apprenticeship with MCL. Full stop. The High Court, accordingly, directed MCL to fill up 51 posts strictly in the order of merit list. Stop.